Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we'll be reading Lycopodium clavatum, common name wolf's foot club moss, family Lycopodiaceae. Constitution: for persons intellectually keen but physically weak, upper part of the body emaciated, lower part semi-dropsical, predisposed to lung and hepatic affections, especially in extremes of life, children and old people. Children weak, emaciated, with well-developed head but punny, sickly bodies. Mental generals: ailments from fright, anger, mortification, or vexations with reserved displeasure. Avaricious, greedy, miserly, malicious, pusillanimous. Irritable, peevish, and cross on walking, ugly, kick and scream. Easily angered, cannot endure oppositions or contradiction, seeks disputes, is besides himself, weeps all day, cannot calm herself, very sensitive, even cries when thanked. Dread of men, of solitude, irritable and melancholy, fear of being alone. Physical generals: deep-seated progressive chronic diseases. Pains: aching, pressure, drawing, chiefly right-sided, which is aggravated from 4 to 8 p.m. Affects right side or pain goes from right to left, throat, chest, abdomen, livers, ovaries. Canine hunger: and more he eats, the more he craves. Headaches if he does not eat. Waking at night feeling hungry. Baby cries all the day, sleeps all night. Nose: catarrh, dry nose stopped at night, must breathe through mouth. Snuffles: child starts from sleep rubbing its nose of root of nose and frontal sinuses, crust and elastic plugs. Face: complexion: pale, dirty, unhealthy, sallow with deep furrows, looks older than he is, fan-like motion of alien nasi. Throat: diphtheria. Fauces brownish red. Deposits spread from right tonsil to left or descends from nose to right tonsils, which is aggravated after sleep and from cold drinks. Pneumonia: neglected or maltreated, base of right lung involved, especially to hasten absorption or expectoration. Gastrointestinal system: everything tastes sour, eructations, heartburns, water brash, sour vomiting between chill and heat. Gastric affections: excessive accumulations of flatulence, constant sensation of satiety, good appetite, but a few mouthfuls fills up to the throat, and he feels bloated. Fermentation in abdomen with loud grumbling, croaking, especially lower abdomen. Fullness not relieved by belching. Constipation: since puberty, since last confinement when away from home of infants with ineffectual urging, rectum contracts and protrudes during stool and developing piles. Discharge of blood from genitals during every stool. Hernia, right-sided, has cured many cases, especially in children. Urinary system: rat scent in urine on child's diaper. Child cries before urinating. Pain in back relieved by urinating. Nil colic, right-sided. Male reproductive system: impotence of young man from onanism or sexual excess. Penis small, cold, relaxed. Old men with strong desire but imperfect erections. Falls asleep during an embrace, premature emission. Female reproductive system: dryness of vagina, burning in during and after coition. Physometra: fetus appears to be turning somersaults. Respiratory system: pneumonia, neglected or maltreated, base of right lung involved, especially to hasten absorption or expectoration. Cough deep, hollow, even raising in mucus in large quantities affords little relief. Extremities: one foot hot and the other foot cold. Modalities: aggravation, nearly all diseases from 4 to 8 p.m. Amelioration: warm foods and drinks, from uncovering the head, loosening the garments. Relation: complementary to iodine, bad effects of onion, bread, wine, spirituous liquor, tobacco smoking and chewing. Follows well after calcarea, carbovech, lacasis, sulfur. It is rarely advisable to begin the treatment of a chronic disease with Lycopodium unless clearly indicated. It is better to give first another antisoric. Lycopodium is a deep-seated, long-acting remedy and should rarely be repeated after improvement begins. Thank you.